All right, we are back with another Tia's Kitchen. And what do we have here today?
Okay, this is salmon croquettes.
Okay.
All right, I use a can of salmon, and always, this is what I do, I reserve the liquid. Okay. Because I'm going to repurpose it and put it in here. Okay. And here is leftover corn muffins, cornbread muffins, sorry. Okay. It's about 2 cups. It's like a cup and a half, maybe 2 cups. All right. It's bell pepper, onion, and of course my garlic and herb, no salt, seasoning, from Gordon's. Okay. And as far as the salmon goes, you want to clean it. Some people, I know you can eat the bones, but some people just go ahead and crunch them all up together, but I don't. But in the middle and throughout the fish, and you open it, there's this bone. And I don't like to eat it, so I clean all of that out of there. From top to bottom, I clean all that out. Okay. Okay, all the bone is out, right? This is what the bones look like. Okay. See how they're all, it's like a backbones and stuff inside of the salmon. Wow. Okay. So, like I said, some people just take it, crush it up because the bones are so fine, and they still eat it. Okay. It's not gonna hurt you. I mean, it's okay. But I don't like it, so I take it out. Okay. So then you just take the salmon and I put it inside the bowl with all my mixtures. And then I mix it up and start making the patties. Okay. All right. So now that everything is mixed, I'm gonna take the reserve that I have left over and I pour that in and make them nice. It's gonna be a little bit wet. And I'm gonna start to make the patties. I'm using parchment paper because it's really easier. And then I got an old pan, so I take a little bit, and it depends on you how you want them to be. And this is not a clean procedure. This is you getting your hands into this. So you're just gonna make them as big as you want, and you and I usually like them big. Okay. So make them as big as you want. Just pat them in the patties, and that's it. All right. And I'll finish them out, and then we bake them on 350 till they turn brown. All right. We'll see them once you're finished making them all. All right. All right. All right, they're ready to go in the oven? Yes. Okay. All right. You said bake them on 350 degrees? Yes. Okay. 350 for about maybe 20 minutes, just until they turn brown. All right. We'll see what they look like when they come out. All right. All right. They're done. Let's see what they look like. Oh, boy. Salmon croquette. Nice. All right. And you can plate them up with a little bowl of grits. Okay. And you got a meal. Nice. That's it. Well, what time it is? Test time. All right. Time to try this salmon croquette. The crust is really good, and then it's just like a breaded fish with all of the seasonings on it and everything. It's really good, really good. Another amazing meal from Tia's Kitchen.